Today we are solving May 2022 paper, question number 1, part E of the question. Okay, Kwale Trucking PLC was merged with Voi Deliveries PLC, and it became to form a new company called KV Logistics PLC. So here we are trying to solve part E of the question. So in the earlier portion we had calculated the purchase price, goodwill, value of the firms, and we were asked to prepare the statement of financial position of the entirely new company called KV Logistics PLC. Okay, now here the question is, evaluate which of the two groups of the shareholders, Kwale Trucking PLC or Voi Deliveries PLC, has benefited the most from the merger. So when you are discussing such a question, you have to have what were the pointers of a discussion. Okay, like first the revaluation had happened, which firm got higher upward revaluation or downward revaluation, you will have to calculate and say which one benefited from the revaluation the most. The second point you will discuss is what is the purchase price offered to the shareholders. So that you will discuss. Finally, you will also discuss what was the goodwill, excess goodwill that was offered. So the purchase price, okay, includes the shareholders. Okay, the purchase price is going to include the shares and the cash they had received. So this is how you will, these are the pointers you will discuss and say which firms benefited the most. So let's take the case for Kwale Trucking PLC. For Kwale Trucking PLC, we can see that, okay, we were, what was the revaluations from which it benefited. The first one is the property. Okay, these were the revaluations that had happened. So for the property, the revaluation was around 4 million, okay, which were, and for the Voi Deliveries it was just 3 million. So the difference is 1 million, you will have to calculate. So the upward revaluation for the Kwale Trucking PLC was beneficial. Then you will say fixtures and fittings. Fixtures and fittings, okay, from the existing they were revalued downwards. Okay, so for Voi it was 900 to 700, and for Kwale Trucking PLC it was from 500 to 400. So you will calculate the difference. So for Kwale it was 500 to 400, but for the Voi it was 900 to 700. So downward reduction by 200,000. So you will say Kwale benefited the most. So, and also you should see all these other revaluations that had happened from which Voi Deliveries benefited the most. So though there were downward revaluations for all this, computers, fixtures and fittings and inventory for all the, and trade receivables. Okay, so all this there was downward revaluations for both of them. Okay, but it was less for Voi. Downward revaluations was less for Voi compared to Kwale Trucking PLC. So you will calculate and say, for example, for the computers it was 1400 to 1150. So reduction by 250,000. Whereas for the Kwale Trucking it was 2700 to 2100, which was a reduction of 600,000. So this was reduced less and this was reduced more. So the Voi Deliveries will benefit. Okay. Then for the vehicles, motor vehicles, we can see it was 12,200, it got reduced to 9,760. So reduction by 2,440,000. And for the Kwale, the reduction in value for the computers, okay, for the computers was 15,400. It was 15,400 for the vehicles, motor vehicles, sorry, not this car, this is not computer. So for the motor vehicles it was 15,400 minus 12,320, it was 3,080. So Voi was reduced less compared to Kwale. Again Voi is going to benefit. Then inventory if you see, it was reduced from 230 to 214, 16,000 reduction for Voi. whereas for the Kwale it was 20,000 reduction. So Voi was reduced less, so the Voi Deliveries benefited from the less downward revaluations, okay, there, because it benefited. Then trade receivables, so it was reduced, okay, reduced by 240,000 in value, which was 100,000 less in reduction compared to Kwale trade receivables, which was reduced by 340,000. So you find the difference, indicate, and then by how much was the reduction less. So if the Voi Deliveries is going to benefit because of the lower downward revaluation than Kwale, you will mention that. So this was for the revaluations. Now let's see about the purchase price and the shares and the cash that were offered. Now for the purchase price offered for Kwale here, it was for every one share owned, they are going to shareholders are going to receive 5 ordinary shares, okay, 5 ordinary shares in KV Logistics at a premium of 30 pence per share, and they will also get 5 pence cash. So the purchase price was 5 into 1.30 plus 0.5 pence cash, so that is equal to 7 pounds was the purchase price offered to the shareholders, okay. And if you calculate the equal number of shares in Kwale, okay, in the Kwale it is going to be equal to 4 shares held, because we can see that there are 5,000 shares and here there are 20,000 shares, okay. So which means that for every one share held in the Kwale, there are around 4 shares in Voi. So 4 shares comparison you are taking. So 4 shares will receive a cash of, they had said here, 1 share, okay, at a premium of 30 pence and 2 pence cash, 20 pence cash. So the total is equal to 6 pounds they will receive. So the purchase price in Kwale is more than the purchase price for the shareholders in Voi. So this he will indicate. And also the goodwill received by the Kwale trade holders, it was calculated earlier, it was 4020. So it was 4020, and so that is going to be equal to, so 4020, whereas the goodwill paid, okay, the goodwill for the Voi Deliveries was 3,586,000. So it is, the goodwill received for the Kwale was more, probably it was a larger company and had a good reputation. So these are the things. But you can also calculate one more pointer here. They have said the percentage of purchase price to goodwill, okay. So goodwill versus goodwill to purchase price ratio you will calculate as a percentage. For the Voi it was 95%, whereas for Kwale it was goodwill to purchase price was 11.49, which means that the percentage price for the Voi was higher. Then other points of discussion you can also calculate, like the purchase price of Kwale was 35 million, which was 5 million higher than the purchase price was for Voi, which was around 30 million. Okay. So, and however Kwale is a larger company with greater equity and shares, okay, reserves, greater equity and reserves. This was what you can compare. But in conclusion, you can say that the shareholders in Kwale received 7 pounds compared to the shareholders in Voi, okay, received 6 pounds for every share, 4 shares in Voi. So and also the goodwill was paid more for Kwale than Voi. So but however the percentage of the total price goodwill paid for Voi is slightly higher. So the shareholders, you can see which one benefits. So probably from the Kwale PLC share